Hi everyone of standard 6th. Today we are going to learn our 13th chapter, that is profit and loss. I know these two words are not new for you. Profit and loss. In your day-to-day life you are always using these two words. Yes? Yeah. In Marathi we can say nafa ani tota. You can see this picture. In this picture, two shops are there. One is pav bhaji shop and one is bhel puri shop. So this pav bhaji shop is of Pranav's shop and this bhel puri shop is of Sarita's shop. Okay. This is one type of Anand Mela, means fun fair. And these two shops are of these two students, Pranav and Sarita. So shop of pav bhaji, Pranav brought vegetables of rupees 70, butter of rupees 25, bread of rupees 45, masala rupees 14 and other things of rupees 20. So total is 174. And for shop of bhel puri, Sarita bought plates of rupees 20, spoons of rupees 10, chutney rupees 30, puffed rice rupees 50, onions rupees 20 and other things of rupees 60. So total is 190. So Pranav put 174 to open this shop for his shop of pav bhaji, and the amount Pranav gained through this sale is rupees 160. So which amount is more? Which amount is big? Yeah, 174 is bigger than 160. Means he put rupees 174 but he gained only 160. So he is in loss. And here Sarita put amount of rupees 190 and amount Sarita gained by selling, that is 230. Means which amount is bigger? This 230. Means Sarita is happy. See, you can see in these two pictures. Here Sarita is very happy because she is in profit. Pranav spent more amount and he got less amount. So he is disappointed. But here Sarita spent less amount, that is 190, and she gained more amount. So she looks so happy. Means shop of pav bhaji is in profit and shop of bhel puri is in loss. No. Shop of bhel puri is in profit. So Sarita is happy. Okay. And shop of pav bhaji is in loss. So here Pranav is disappointed, or you can say unhappy. Suppose one shopkeeper bought a pen for rupees 5. Okay. And he sold that pen for rupees 7. Means this is cost price of that pen, cost price. And this is selling price. And here selling price is more than cost price. And if the selling price is more than the amount paid for it, there is gain. Means it is called profit. Means this shopkeeper gained profit. But sometimes what happens? Sometimes an article is sold for less than amount paid for it while buying. Okay. The damage in the case is called loss. Means what we can say? We can say that if selling price is less than cost price, there is a loss. So what is loss? If the selling price is less than the cost price, there is loss. And what is the formula for that? Loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So in this example, profit is there. So we will see profit. So what is profit? If the selling price is more than the cost price, there is profit. Okay. Now we will see formula. Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So if we will see the simple example of this pen, we can put these values in this formula. So what we can say? Profit is equal to In this example, selling price is more than cost price. Okay, selling price is 7 and cost price is rupees 5. So we can say profit is equal to selling price means 7 minus cost price is 5. So 7 minus 5 is 2. So profit is rupees 2. Hope all of you understood concept of profit and loss. Now we will see examples of practice set 31. So this is first question. The cost price and selling price are given in the following table. Find out whether there was a profit or loss and how much it was. So here table is given. In this table here cost price are given and here selling price are given. And we have to find out whether there is profit or loss and then how much. Okay. We will see all these examples with the help of formulas. So practice it 31, question number 1 from that first one. In first example, cost price is given rupees 4,500. So instead of writing cost price, I will write here only CP. It is given rupees 4,500. Okay. And selling price is given rupees 5,000. So here in selling cost price and in selling price, which amount is bigger? 5,000 means selling price is bigger than cost price. Selling price is bigger than cost price means in this example there is profit. So we can write here in this box. See in this textbook, this column we have to write there is profit and how much it is that we will find out. So formula of profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So what is the selling price? It is rupees 5,000. So here we can write 5,000 minus cost price 4,500 and subtraction is 500. So profit is rupees 500 and you can write this amount in this column rupees 500. Same way we can solve these 3 examples also that we will solve. Second example, cost price is rupees 4,100 and selling price is rupees 4,090. Now here in this example, selling price is less than cost price. Here it is 4,100 and here 4,090 only. So selling price is smaller than cost price. So there is loss and formula of loss is equal to cost price minus selling price. So what is the cost price given? 4,100 minus 4,090. Subtraction is rupees 10. So what is this 10? It is loss. Third example. In third example, CP is rupees 700 and SP is rupees 799. So now here in this example, selling price is bigger than cost price. Cost price is rupees 700 and selling price is rupees 799. So this is bigger amount. So in this example, profit is there. So here we can write profit. And what is the formula of profit? Profit is equal to selling price minus cost price. So here we will put these values. What is the selling price? 799 and cost price is rupees 700. So subtraction is 99. This is 99. It is profit. Profit is equal to rupees 99. Simple. One more example we will see. Then concept will be clear. So in fourth example we will take cost price rupees 1,000. So here I will write CP is equal to rupees 1,000 and SP is equal to 920. So CP is bigger or SP is bigger? Yeah, CP is means cost price is bigger than selling price. So in this example, profit is there or loss is there? Yeah, loss. Cost price is bigger. So here we can write loss. Loss is equal to What is the formula of loss? Loss is equal to CP minus SP. So CP minus SP. What is the amount CP? It is rupees 1000. 1000 minus 920. And subtraction is rupees 80. This is the loss. Loss is equal to rupees 80. I think concept of profit and loss is clear now. Okay. Now in next video, we will see some word problems based on profit and loss. Simple word problems. Okay. Till you have to solve such more examples, then you will get more practice. Bye bye. Have a nice day.